Number one, love yourself. That is the most important tip for this afternoon's talk. Love yourself. Be compassionate with yourself. All right. So when you feel that you are frightened, you are anxious, you are exhausted, sobrang pagod kayo. Siguro kasi you go on duty, you help out in your community, you go do volunteer work. Please remember that when you feel all of this, it's not a sign of a weakness of your character. All right? It's not a sign of a weakness of character when we feel anxious, stressed, depressed, etc. It's important that we treat ourselves kindly and acknowledge our feelings and let us not be guilty about them. Ang lagi namin sinasabi po during this time of pandemic, when we are in this global health crisis now, and everything is uncertain and unknown, it's okay not to feel okay during this time. Okay lang yan. Again, do not feel guilty about your emotions, but in fact, acknowledge it, accept it, and from there, when we acknowledge kasi about all of these feelings, then we are able to process it and do something about it. All right? So do not feel guilty about it. Paano to? Like in practical terms, na? Let yourself off the hook. Okay? Again, when you take care of yourself, really ang goal natin is self-preservation during this time, self-preservation. So one technique to do this is know or prioritize the things that you need to do. Ask yourself whether meron bang benefit, if the benefit will outweigh the consequences of missing, of not joining something. Na? So, i-weigh nyo muna, is this helpful for me at this point? Or hindi ba? So, avoid muna any form of toxicity siguro. Or, I mean, things or events or people which you feel or whom you feel are medyo toxic for you. Again, for the sole purpose of loving yourself, self-preservation is very important at this point. Survival nga, di ba? Ang lagi nilang sinasabi ngayon na this is the time now na we survive the crisis and really prioritize ourselves for us to be able to help more people, to be able to help our kids, our family. Lalo na sa atin na may mga parents tayong inaalagaan, na mga senior citizens, lolos, lolas, let's be at our peak na, of mental health for us to be able to help them.